Wherever people live, there also live the mentally retarded. But who are the mentally retarded, and what are they really like? A retarded person may be of any age: an infant, a young child, a teenager, or a young adult.
I'm retarded. God damn, I need
Is a negative choice because it's